Do you believe that Tesla could ever have a $5 trillion valuation? There has always been disagreement among experts and analysts on Tesla's valuation. There are those who argue that Tesla is undervalued, while others think it is overvalued. Do you want to know if Tesla will be valued at $5 trillion or less? If so, this is one you don't want to miss. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated on our earnings call a number of years ago that he believed Tesla might be worth more than Apple, which at the time was the market leader in market capitalization. The easiest way to sum up Tesla is to say that it is an electric car company, but that is far too simplistic. It's a tech business. Additionally, it is a well-known, cutting-edge company that specializes in creating a very smooth user and customer experience. Prior to continuing, Moomoo created a new role known as the industrial chain. Let's say you wish to discover which stocks might change over the next several days or months. You will benefit much from the industrial real chain. It offers a thorough overview of the hottest industries, such as electronics and virtual reality. Finding stocks quickly, either upstream or downstream, allows you to concentrate on specific industrial segments more rapidly. Additionally, since segments and industries are related, you might forecast price changes more quickly without having to read a lot of research papers to understand the relationships between different industries. In the description, a link. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, covered a lot of ground on the most recent Q3 results call. Musk stated that we have our own sort of local ups and downs, but long-term trend has been extremely good. When Apple was the largest cap company in the market a few years ago, I expressed on our earnings call that I believe Tesla might be worth more. I believe it was about $700 billion at the time. I stated that it would take amazing execution and at least a little bit of luck. And we succeeded in more ways than one. Musk claims that Tesla had surpassed Apple in terms of market capitalization at that moment. The CEO of Tesla now thinks the company can far outperform Apple in terms of market capitalization. In fact, I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, Musk stated. Musk did not waste any time in clarifying that the procedure will not be simple. That does not imply that it will occur or be simple. Actually, I believe it will be quite challenging. It will need a great deal of labor, some really innovative new items managing growth, and constant luck, he remarked. Musk also mentioned Saudi Aramco, a publicly traded natural gas and petroleum company headquartered in Dhahran, Saudi Arabia. Musk believes there is a possibility for Tesla to be worth around twice as much as Saudi Aramco. This is the first time I've seen that potential, Musk stated. Apple's market capitalization is approximately $2.3 trillion US dollars, whereas Saudi Aramco is approximately $2 trillion. This indicates that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, values the company at approximately $5 trillion. During the earnings call, Musk stated, I should mention that when I said that, probably now that I see a path, an extremely very difficult path, incredible execution required, a massive amount of hard work, and some luck to get where Tesla is worth as much as Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. I wasn't including Optimus. This suggests that Musk anticipates Tesla's value to increase if the humanoid robot Optimus performs well. It should be mentioned that Musk expressed his belief that Tesla will become a trillion-dollar business to CNBC as early as 2018. I truly believe that Tesla has the capacity to grow into a trillion-dollar business in just 10 years, Musk said in an interview with Andrew Ross Sorkin of CNBC and the New York Times. The CEO magazine, a monthly business publication for top executives that provides motivation and insights to help them succeed, projects that Microsoft and Amazon will reach the $5 trillion milestone by 2035, with Tesla and NVIDIA following suit by 2066. By the time Tesla and NVIDIA reach the $5 trillion club, Apple is expected to be valued at $19.3 trillion. Co-founder and managing partner of the Future Fund Gary Black predicted that by 2030, Tesla's market valuation may approach $4 trillion. According to Black, by 2030, the EV market will have 60% market penetration, and he predicts that Tesla will account for a staggering 21% of the car market. When EV adoption hits 60, Tesla with 20 EV share will be viewed as a safe haven like Apple. Black stated on Twitter, Black is not alone on Wall Street, though, as other pundits have also projected that Tesla's market value will reach $4 trillion. Targeting a $4 trillion market cap from the company, Airday's best-case scenario and Black's conviction are shared by Tesla bull Cathie Wood and her firm ARK Invest. As per Reuters, Wood has guided ARK Invest through several remarkable projections for 2020, with Tesla emerging as the most favored outcome, thereby expanding Wood's sphere of influence in recent times. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives highlighted Tesla's recently adopted Gigafactory in Germany as a significant milestone for the company that should result in an additional 500,000 vehicles annually in a recent research note. The Berlin factory establishes a major beachhead for Tesla in Europe with potential to expand this factory to production of around 500,000 vehicles annually with Model Y front and center over the coming 12 to 18 months. With the inauguration of its Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg, Tesla will be able to reduce the expenses associated with importing cars from its Gigafactory Shanghai into Europe, while also greatly increasing output for the continent. The argument about Tesla's valuation is still very much alive. Some claim that Tesla's value exceeds that of almost all other significant automakers combined. Analysts couldn't agree on Tesla's current valuation when it reached $1 trillion market cap in late October 2021. Wedbush Securities' Daniel Ives, a bull, tweeted, "Tesla hitting $1 trillion is just for starters." Craig Irwin of Roth Capital Partners, who claimed that Tesla's stock was grossly overpriced in a client letter, was among the bears. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, is certain that his company has what it takes to become $1 trillion business. One may argue that Tesla is more than just an automaker because of its many creative initiatives and goods. Tesla's primary offerings are automobiles, of course, but the EV manufacturer's foray into solar and artificial intelligence AI creates new opportunities. During the most recent Q3 earnings call, Musk covered a number of significant topics about the company's development. Tesla investors have been pressing Musk about a possible buyback of Tesla stock ever since. He mentioned it. According to Musk, the board of directors at Tesla has been debating the merits of the company's recent buyback demands and thinks it could easily fund one, regardless of the state of the economy. Even if things go badly for us next year, we could still conduct a repurchase of between $5 and $10 billion. Even though Musk stated that 2019 would be a very challenging year, it's likely that we do some meaningful buyback. Musk said that. On the first day of December, he would personally be present to deliver the first semi-commercial trucks to PepsiCo. Finally, following a slow year-long ramp, he is expecting to build 50,000 devices for North America alone by 2024. Although Musk acknowledged last quarter's challenges in meeting his projections with his 4,680 cells, the volume has now tripled over the course of the quarter, and the emphasis is now on cost optimization. In a nutshell, 4,680 ramp is growing exponentially, he stated. Musk also discussed the eagerly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck. During the call, it was disclosed that the company is nearing the end of its preparations, with Giga Texas starting tooling. We remain on course to commence early production in the middle of the following year. The head of engineering, Lars Moravi, stated on the call. With the completion of the Semi and Cybertruck's development, focus is now on a more affordable entry-level vehicle, which some media outlets claim is the first low-cost robo-taxi to completely lack a steering wheel and pedals. According to Musk, the intention was to keep the price lower than the larger Model 3Y platform. He also predicted that manufacturing would quickly surpass that of all of Tesla's other vehicles put together. Musk claimed that even without accounting for the robot he believes will transform his industry, the company is on track to reach a market valuation of $4.5 trillion. Many speculate that the Tesla CEO may have just revealed the main ideas of his elaborate scheme, timed to enable him to obtain funding for his acquisition of Twitter. Given that it is still the top electric vehicle manufacturer, many think Tesla has the potential to grow much more in the future. Experts claim that Tesla is leading the electric vehicle competition due to their advanced battery technology and willingness to take more chances. Range is the main issue facing the electric vehicle industry, and Tesla's battery technology offers its owners greater range up to 375 miles. Tesla isn't just recognized for bringing electric vehicles into the public. It contains more innovations related to battery and vehicle technologies. In an effort to be the first automaker to offer fully autonomous driving, Tesla is actively developing its self-driving technology. If you want to receive updates on Tesla stock, be sure to subscribe to this channel.